This is a boat that came in that was having a gimbal bearing that was growling at him, and so we're changing the gimbal bearing. And so there's a new one in there. And what had happened to this particular boat is the boat filled up with water and filled up the boot and rusted that. And we also found that the engine was out of a line. Go ahead and run the tool in it. So we checked engine alignment, lowered the front of the engine. Some stuff that's going on with this boat. It's a new purchase. I just bought it, and the person he bought it from had just bought it also. So neither of the last two owners have had this boat out. But we knew it had been underwater pretty high because you could look at all the oil that's up that high, and you could almost see a line back there. But what's really bizarre about this one, looks like the actual, well, the motor's been out also, but it looks like the transom assembly's been changed or something weird's going on. It's shifted because it's dropped down. It's dropped down the back, if you could see the line right above there where it used to be higher. And that reason is the reason we had to drop the motor mount as low as we can to get the engine aligned. And he's gonna have trouble with that starter probably because it's been underwater. But we've got a new bearing in it, and we'll put the drive back on.